Welcome to the new weekly analysis about the harmonic patterns and also the harmonic scanner on the Harmonics app website. Let's check, as a first start, let's check the previous week analysis and also the bet patterns I have checked with the Harmonic scanner, and you can also check the YouTube channel for the Harmonics app where I also share these previous weekly analysis. For now, as it looks, the first one was GBP Poland, which was analyzed in September. We can see it here, 9th of September, when this bet pattern has been created. And this is the analysis I have made video. You can find it on the YouTube channel also, where the potential reversal zone was here. We can see it here with the take profits at 5.28, also 5.24. Currently the status is the price has dropped down, 5.21 has been reached. You can see it here, even the price has dropped even more down. So we can make a conclusion this pattern has been a valid one, and also the take profit has been reached. With you can see it also that the reward to risk was 3.74, which is a great ratio, risk to reward ratio. The next one pattern that I have been analyzing with the Harmonics app scanner, it is also a bearish bet pattern. You can see it here, it was Australian dollar against Swiss franc on the daily time frame, where the potential reversal zone was around 0.58 and the target was around 0.57. Now the entry was here. You can see it here around 0.58 potential reversal zone. The stop loss was above, it was not reached, and the price has reached the second take profit. You can see it here. So this also trade was a successful one. You can see it here, and also the risk reward was also above 3 point something. You can see it here. Just a minute, let's find the video. What is, just a second, here it is. Let's see, just a minute, it will be at the start. Australian dollar, here it is, it will be 4.37. So the risk to reward ratio was very good in this case. So if you have traded this one, you could also make a lot of money. Now let's go. The third one was US dollar against Mexican. We can see it is also a bearish bet pattern with the entry around 18.54 and 18.54. So the entry has been triggered and the price has reached almost the first take profit, but the price reverses back up, so the price is bounced. So very important to see currently in this case. What I would like to mention, the price did not continue, but this is still open trade. And also the bet pattern is still valid. What I would like to remind you is it is very important when you enter the trade that you also move your stop loss to at least to be a break even if the price reaches the first take profit. In this case, the price has reached the first great demand zone, which means a great support level here. Then in this case, it will be very important and also smart move to be at least a break even or slightly in profit, just in case the price reverses back up and gone against you. So it is also a good option to close the trade with a small profit, or at least gone outside without the loss and also without the profit, compared to being first profit and then being losing a trade. So it is also good to return this stop loss below the entry level, just to be break even or exit with a small profit. So in this case, this bet pattern is still open. There is a possibility that the price will continue to move down, but we need to wait for this to happen. So these are the three bet pattern I have covered in the last month and a half. So two of them have been profitable, where the first one was 3.4 risk reward and the second one was 4 something, 4. I have forgot. So we can conclude that the risk to reward ratio in the last two trades was 1:7. So this is a very good. So if this one, which is US Mexican, you can see it here, if it closes with a loss, this will mean that you will be even more in profit in these three trades if you have took all of them, and if you did not move this stop loss below to be a break even. So for now, For now, with these 3 trades, this is a very good return ratio. And we can check also, is there any more new bad patterns visible on the scanner. If we go here for the Euro GBP, first one as a step is to check what is the trend. And for now, as it looks right now, the trend is not very clear. We can see it here on the daily time frame. The price is in the range, bouncing between these 2 price levels. So this bad pattern for me is not valid to continue to move forward and make the analysis. Now let's check the one. The second one is also the Euro GBP. I will skip this one, and then we have Euro 50 index. Let's see how this looks. The price was going up, it's moving, then the price has gone inside range area and then returned back down. So for me this one is also not valid one, because we do not have a clear trend. To be clear, you can see it here, it's very visible. You can see it here, the price is dropping, there is no range area forming, and you can see it here how the price has behaved, because this bad pattern has suggested that the price will continue to move down based on this downtrend. And also in this case we can see that the price is being in the downtrend, then the price has formed here a potential reversal zone as a bearish bad pattern, and then the price has moved down. So these are very clear signals. And in this case, where these USD Mexican, here it is, that we can also see here that it was also a clear downtrend. You can see it here, and the price has formed this bad pattern with the potential reversal zone. So this is also the first step that has been validated, and then after that I have made this technical analysis. So for now, for this week, we do not have a very clear signal, but if you would like me to check some kind of bad patterns on the scanner that you have detected, please feel free to leave a comment below the video or inside the Facebook group, where you can also join the other traders. Then I will also check your bad pattern to make the analysis and to see will it be profitable or not based on the technical analysis, and also I can share my opinion about that bad pattern. So this is all for this week analysis. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment below the video, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. See you next time, and happy trading!